Hey guys, this is Abhishek Singh, and in this video I am going to give you an overview of VIPER OS on Motorola Moto G5s, codename Montana. Here's the quick settings, and there are various options available, and we are going into the Venom features, which are the main highlights of this VIPER OS. Quick settings, we can adjust the brightness slider, top bottom, quick settings, columns and rows, auto brightness, quick pull down, and we can change the position of clock as well, right, left, center, show seconds, AM PM style, and battery icon style. We can change it also. There are a few options available for it: big dotted circle, battery percentage, etc. Carrier label, we can show the carrier label on left of the status bar. Mine is Airtel, so you can see here the Airtel is written over here, icon of my carrier. Network traffic, we can also on the network traffic status. Miscellaneous, VIPER OS logo, system icons, voice over LTE icon, 4G LTE icon. Now recent style, there are two options available in recent styles: quick step or AOSP. Enable recent style, it requires system UI restart. Enable clear all button, miscellaneous, memory bar, etc. Lock screen security, miscellaneous in lock screen. You can see the options available. Now system theme of the entire device, accent color, which we can use to customize the device of the device, and quick setting style, five options available: switch style and lock screen style. This is the best feature, I guess. And font picker, we can also change the font of the device from here itself. Buttons, navbar buttons, button layouts, compact, left leaning, right leaning, extra. Various options are available for navigation bar also. One plus gestures, navigation gestures as you call, battery notification light, notifications light as well, power menu, advanced restart, seat. Now overall experience of this ROM is very good, but I have experienced two major problems. First one is low output from speaker and low output from earpiece as well. As you can see here, the battery is good, battery status, etc. Various things are available for it. We can change live display feature is also available here. We can calibrate the display of the display so that screen burn issue can be fixed without root. And sound as well, various options for sound as well. Volume panel, which options which you want to see it, it can be shown here. These are other sounds as well which can be also accessed on stock ROM storage. Thus The ROM is of 6 GB compared to stock which is of 7 GB, 7 point something GB. And accessibility, vibration, mono audio, etc. Motor actions are also available. These are all the options which are available on stock. Ambient display, fingerprint gestures, and about system developer options. You can see here 2.2 GB is free of 4 GB RAM, and basic developer options are here, nothing something new. And gestures, jump to camera, double tap power button to access the camera, swipe on home button, pi navigation bars. Here are the stock ones. These things are available on every pi ROM of Montana, VIPER OS 6.6. Android version 9 Pi. Build date Moto G5s, and Android version Pi, security patch 5 July 2019, VIPER OS 6.6. You can see the volume panel, expanded volume panel, as you can see. And there are some of the apps. Audio effects is also available here, and VIPER wallpapers, VPapers. It needs data connection to download these wallpaper. Overall, the experience is very good. It is same as every other Pi ROM available on the internet for Motorola G5s. These are the stock wallpapers available for the VIPER OS, and these two bugs are very major problem for a normal person, because on the stock the speaker of volume is very good, and here it is half of it.